Oh my god. Hi guys, look who is back in their comfort zone. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. We are back home. It might seem like the other day for you guys, but it's been a few days for us. We are back home in Nice and I'm in town and it's hot. It's so hot here. But anyway, we got back to some not so good news. But we have to power through and carry on with life. When I say not so good news, I didn't share with you guys, or maybe I did, I don't remember, that my mother-in-law was staying at her house. Mid-July, she would have left just before we got back home from vacation. However, the unfortunate happened and she had an accident at her pool. She slid at her pool and fell and broke her hip, and she had to go to rush to the hospital, did surgery. A long story. So she's still in the hospital. Hubby went and see her yesterday. She's there. Surgery went well. She's doing rehab and will continue to do rehab for a while to try and learn how to walk again and all that. So that's what's been going on with us since we got back. And another thing, just before we left, our car stopped working, as in the battery. We think that is the battery that stopped working, so our car needs to go to the garage.
I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up.
So that's what happened to our car. So we are out of car for a while and will be for a little bit. So we have to juggle the public transportation with supermarket runs and stuff like that. So we have to change up our supermarket and get stuff that we can carry at our hand in small portion for a few days as the time goes by. But anyway, we adjust to the situation and make things work. So I'm in town right now. I'm going to see my friend Tashika. Tashika gave birth while I was away. If you guys don't know who Tashika is my friend that is living here in Nice from St. Martin. One of her parents is Jamaican. So Tashika gave birth to her third child and I'm going to see the baby. I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys the baby because I don't know if she already shared the baby on social media, but if not, you guys won't see her. But if I can, then you guys will see the baby. But either ways, I'm in town and I also want to take the kids to the water park because it's so hot here. So I'm back into the swing of things and, you know, getting back into the groove of France and of Nice. So here is Tyler. Here is the princess. Say morning, Fizz. Where are we going? We're going to see Tata?
Tata.
Ready?
Ready.
All right.
Water park for Tata.
Tata. So let's go through Nice, getting back used to the environment. I'm picking up a quick salad for my lunch. Salad with chicken breast. Gonna get samosa for Tyler and nem for Sarah at the Chinese restaurant. Oui, oui, oui. Emporté.
Avec ça.
Avec 2 samousa bœuf et 2 nems de porc.
Chauffé ou pas?
Oui, s'il vous plaît. Ouais. C'est tout.
Merci. C'est la question.
Back to the old town life. Yes. Oh, how I missed my little city. You guys, this is Old Town during high lunch hour. Restaurants are full. Full everywhere. So much people in Old Town at this time of the day. Guys, I saw Tashika and the kids, but I decided not to show the baby because she haven't shared him. She haven't shared her on social media yet. She said she'll share her after she's 1 month old. So you guys will get to see the baby soon. Don't touch. Yes, Dolly. kids at the water park. Sarah! 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 Touch it, touch the water. Touch it, go, touch it. Touch it. There's no feed. Look at Tai Tai. Go, put your foot on it. I'm telling Sarah to go touch it. It's hot? Hi, Sarah. Look, Tai Tai lay down. The water park is filled up with kids. Look. He's too cute. He doesn't like the water?
He loves it.
Oh, maybe it's the pressure of it, maybe?
He's being in a mood.
He's tired, baby. Hi, honey. Look at this one. Look at him. And Sarah always find a friend no matter where she go. Look at her. Look at her over there. You guys see Sarah? Ice cream time for the babies.
But mine is not. It's a bit.
See Tyler on there. Drop on the floor.
That's why I said mine is a bit ruined.
It fell.
C'est glace?
Oui, c'est le citron. Oui. Et c'était possible pour donner en notre cuillère, s'il vous plaît?
C'est-à-dire?
En notre cuillère. Ça. Spoon. Non, non, comme ça, mais donnez en petit cuillère. Yes. Voilà. Merci. C'est merci.
Merci.
Allez.
Down, Mama. Well, dance is going to fall again, but less.
Hold it strong. Don't squeeze it too much, your corner will break. Okay. Wait, Sarah, wait. Wait, let Mama fix it. Wait. It's yummy? Sarah, yummy? Yeah. She's looking at it running down her hand. Hi there, back in my kitchen. Back in my comfort zone. I know you guys missing this background. So did I. Anyway, you guys, I ran to the supermarket real quick. And in and out. Sarah was sleeping. I didn't want her to wake up because you know a whiny baby when they wake up, that's no joke. But anyway, I pick up a few little knickknacks, and on babe way home from work, he's gonna also pick up like the heavier stuff like the water and the milk that I want. So I'm just gonna real quick show you a run through of what I got. So I got some beef, some tender beef to cook for whether dinner or lunch, and I got some shrimp. Babe got chicken yesterday. I also pick up some avocado, and I pick up lettuce because yes, I am back to my salad. The 1st of August I was back on it, girl. The 1st of August I was back on it, not skipping a beat. So what I did, I decided to change my diet up a bit. Since I'm back from all the junk and all the goodness that I've been enjoying on vacation, I decided that I came back and I'm going to change my diet up a bit. So normally I'll do 5 meals for the day. I am changing that. I'm now doing 2 meals for the day. So I'm doing a big salad for lunch and a big veggie for for dinner, and I'm not doing no carbs at all. And for breakfast I am kind of skipping that, but if I'm hungry I'll have tea. So what I'm trying to do is fast for 18 hours and then have only 2 big meals with a lot of vegetable and fat, healthy fat. So healthy fat is like avocado, beef. Beef is mostly protein, but the fat is in there somewhere. Other fats going to come from like the nuts and stuff like that. So my aim is also to drink water and add lemon in it. So I'll tell you guys how this is going to go, and if any of you guys want to join me on this journey, do so. But what I'm not going to do is deprive myself of what I want, in terms of if I'm hungry at any point I allow myself to snack, but I'm trying not to snack. The aim is not to snack, but if I do, I'll snack on berries like blueberry, raspberry, maybe strawberry, but I'm not a fan of strawberries, so I doubt that will happen. But the aim is to not snack between meals, and if I'm hungry then I'll allow myself that, or I'll allow myself a little handful of nuts. Yeah, fat will also come from like peanut butter and stuff like that, and I'll get my protein from all the protein that I'm going to be eating. Healthy protein like egg and chicken and fish and seafood, shellfish. But anyway, I am about to make dinner right now for the family, and I'm going to make dend. I think dend is from chicken, a part of the chicken and the way it is cut, and then I'm going to make that with broccoli for myself, and then for the kiddos they're gonna have that with broccoli and macaroni and cheese. So a little update: baby's on his way home, but before he's detouring to go and see his mom and bring her something to comfort, like books that she would like to read. But the good news is he also heard today that mom will be able to leave the hospital by the end of the week and go closer to home, where there's a rehab center that can help her with walking and recovering, kind of in her comfort zone. That's her wish, so it's been granted. Yeah, so that's going on right now. I'm gonna make dinner and wait for babe to get home, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit. This weight need to shed that I packed on vacation, okay? And we are on a mission to do that since the 1st of August. We ain't playing and we ain't wasting no time, and workout will be thrown in there somewhere throughout the day. You guys know I start my day with workout, so I'm still a bit exhausted from vacation, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys that I haven't been working out since I got back. And today is the 2nd of August while I'm recording this, but don't worry, by the time you guys see this, workout will be in full swing. So I'm gonna pack all these things and get on with my day. I hear somebody coming. What do you have there? No, I'm not playing right now. What do you have there? What do you want? Candy, please. What you have in your hand? Show them what you have in your hand. What is that?
A jet.
A jet. That's your favorite toy right now, right?
Yes.
You know she liked the jet, so you better go for the other one. Give it to her. She said please. Tyler got a jet and a big plane to match it, and Sarah loved the jet, so he always have to give it to her so she can play with it, and he play with the big one. Look how happy she is. Did they say thank you?
Thank you.
Good job.
And the plane.
Yes, I come in with the big plane, Sarah.
It's going to land on the counter. The counter.
No, Sarah, play with the small one, please. Oh, she's turning it on. Play with the small
I
one.
don't like when it's on.
Huh?
It's too much noise when it's on.
Yeah, but that's the joy that Sarah gets from it. It's good to see you sitting in the couch relaxing and not going to sleep as you come home. You're adjusting to the time, or I'm talking too early?
No, I got a little bit tired, but I should be fine for tonight. I won't go bed late. But it's already 9, so I should go about 10:30. So I won't nap before. But the fact that this morning I also have an extra time for myself,
Yes, in a bit.
make it easier. Because the last days I also wake up before 6 a.m. every time.
And you came home and nap
Yeah.
before he goes to bed.
So
I'm still struggling. I am still struggling with adjusting. This morning I woke up about 7:30 and I'm like, yes, I am back on track. By the clock strike about 9 when you left. I'm like, oh my god, what is this? I feel like something backs me in my face. Bloop. The sleep hit me from a different angle and I just felt sleepy. I said to babe, okay, I'm gonna try and take a nap. My kids, they came in the room and they started jump on the bed. Didn't happen. And guess who fell asleep in the bed? Tyler fell asleep until
Tyler
about
sleep.
11:45.
The day before I open is I wake up early like 6 something. About 7 a.m. I'm about to go head to work, take the bus. And I see light in Tyler's room and I just like, okay. I open the door and I don't know why I see Tyler on the floor like a book beside him or say like he's reading a book. And then I realize that he's just sleeping on the floor. Laying down sleeping on the floor.
He came to me at 6 and tell me that he wants to wake up. So I said, okay, you can read a book and then watch TV.
He didn't wake up long.
That didn't happen. Obviously, he went back in his room and fell asleep right on the floor. So babe went and found him right there. Anyway, you guys, just coming on to end
Thumbs up.
today's vlog.
Thumbs up. No, why do that? 1 thumbs up, not peace sign. Oh, you're counting 2. That's why you count 2.
You guys, we're having a debate. French people count with their thumb as the number 1 and the index for 2, while English people count index finger for number 1 and the other finger beside it for 2. So I was telling babe that only French people count like this. And no, because it's a habit for me, because we're in the same household, I now start counting like
1,
this.
2, 3.
We went to USA and my nephew is now counting like this because of Sarah.
So it's much easier. 1, 2, 3.
Too funny.
1, 2. No, you have to. You look awkward.
No, it's not.
1, 2. Look.
Wait.
Look.
2.
You see? Right. No,
Yes,
you have to do.
good job,
You have to
guys.
do the 2 without pausing.
But he can still do the
Do
one.
it.
That 1, 2,
1, 2,
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job, Ty. You see? You see? There, I get it.
But it's better like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we do all of the 5 in a row. So it's easier. 5
It's
in a row.
awkward for me. I can do up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Once I get to 4, I'm like, it can't come up without 5 come up.
No, we do
If I'm
like
telling
this.
somebody 4, then what's the sense? Because you go 1, 2, 3, then 4. You switch.
Tyler can do 4 like this. Look at him.
Tyler, do 4 like this easy.
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 You don't have to touch
I don't
this.
look.
I can't.
My other finger
Look, I
can't
can't.
come up. But look at Ty.
It's a 5.
I even try do it like that. I can't. It's not possible.
I
It's
can't do
weird.
that
I
too. I
feel.
can't do that too.
I feel.
One.
weird.
Look at my middle one. He looks. Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Anyway, guys, we're heading off for the night. So you see, you guys get your wish. You get back, babe, at the end of the vlogs.
Yeah, I won't give no chaval today.
That
Tyler.
alone is trouble. Sarah is in bed and Tyler is gonna chill before he goes to bed. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys.
Don't do that. It's too hot to have Tyler beside me sticking to me. It's too hot. Alright? Give this video a thumbs up, comments down below, subscribe, and we see you guys tomorrow. Just the two of us, not Tyler. He will
Definitely
be
not
banned. He will
Tyler.
be